everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over the Tribe Sunless Tanning Mousse. This is from a woman-owned business here in San Diego, California. Shout out to Justine. So yes, it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So, and non-comedogenic. I can never say that word. It doesn't clog your pores. Let's put it that way. All right, so it's been almost a year since I did my quarantine with me video. So, holy crap, but that's awesome, you know. I have already exfoliated, took a shower. I have a bathing suit top on, so don't get crazy. And we are going to begin. So you can tell it's my first time using it because it didn't pump out all the way. But I just want to give you guys a real honest opinion about this stuff. So we're just going to start with this arm first, and then we'll do the rest of the body. Oh my God, it smells amazing. So first off, noticing that it's brown and not orange. And it completely smooths over the skin. Now, I still have hairy arms, but wow, holy crap. Oh my God. Wow. I wish you guys could smell this. Damn, I feel like I'm back in Kauai. Oh my God. So look, immediately, bink, bink. All right, loving this. Holy crap, Justine, this shit's good. All right, just the color difference. Make sure it's smooth, get this. Holy moly. Holy shit. I'm liking this. Okay, Again, switching my hand though this time. Eek, eek, eek. All right, same thing. Watch this. Holy crap. Dude, the smell. You guys, the smell is ridiculous. That should be a perfume. There's a little bit of sparkles in here too. Love it. Golden goose, baby. Golden goose. Make sure it's smooth down my triceps. Just kidding. That's a bicep. And my favorite thing, wow. Damn. Smooth, glossy. Amazing. All right, next point. We're doing this. A little bit more. 3 pumps again. I feel like 3 is just our magic number. Okay, and over the chest. I always get my neck too. I mean, I feel like most people do, but I don't get my face only because I use a lot of skincare products, and I can just make my face tanner with my makeup. If I'm going on vacation, then I would tan my face, but your girl's still here. We're not leaving until June. Holy shit. So, fun thing about me, I used to get spray tans when me and Ricky before we were even dating, on Mondays, Mystic Mondays. And at high school, I literally always had an orange spray tan. But I thought I was cool. But you know what? I wasn't tanning in the sun. And my skin now thanks me for that. Also, I couldn't even get tan because I'm pretty albino. I'm gonna do one more layer on my chest because I like my chest to be tan. But yeah, I used to always smell like a spray tan. So if you know the smell of the spray tan that I'm talking about, this stuff does not smell like that at all. This smells amazing, little coconut dream. I told you that story only because I've done a lot of spray tans in my life. So I know what a good one looks like straight off the bat. Okay, people. Make sure you get all this line work over here. I gotta fix that. But that's my problem, not the tanner. Okay, so quick thing. Here is it before. I am going to sleep in this. I gotta do my back and everything too. But I'm gonna do that off camera because no one wants to watch that. And this is my nighttime before. This stuff is awesome. Okay, so now it's 7:30, March 27th. I'll probably have this video up like Tuesday. but I'm going to do the rest of my body, and then you will see me tomorrow morning when I'm sexy and tan. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is the morning after I put on the tanner. So as you can see, look at this brown color. Loving it. Obviously I didn't do my face, so that can be like your reference shade before. So you guys, this was one coat of this Tribe Sunless Tanning Mousse. This shit is awesome. Justine, you did a great job at formulating this. Oh my goodness. The smell of it is amazing. And you guys, it is 2021. You should not be in a tanning bed. Skin cancer it's very common. You can help prevent it by not going in a tanning bed, using lots of sunscreen, using a physical sunscreen. And if you love to be tan, definitely pick up this Tribe Sunless Tanner. It is my favorite tanner because the color goes on super smooth. For me, usually it's splotchy. I've used the Bondi Sands one last year. Obviously I didn't know about this then, but damn, this stuff is awesome. Again, I will link it down below for you as well. Really happy with the color combo that it came out with. So just look at that face to arm ratio. And you don't look orange, like I look actually tan. Like, was this bitch in Hawaii? I don't know, maybe. Yes, okay, 100% Steve approved on this stuff. I'll link it down below. Justine, I love you. This stuff is amazing and you need this for summer 2021. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe down below. Otherwise, adios.